General description of our experience in the community. This community walk experience was extremely valuable for our group of teacher candidates. Together, we shared a meaningful experience in the community around East San Jose Elementary School. During this field trip, we also had the opportunity to collaborate with several members of the community. We went on a guided tour and attempted to familiarize ourselves with the environment. As we explored, we considered how to mathematize different locations. These ideas can be used to connect with our students in their culture and community. This is important for developing a positive math identity. A key part to the design of our lessons was to ensure that the students had a sense of agency in their mathematics learning. This is crucial in getting the students to see themselves as doers of mathematics, who apply their mathematical understandings to help them interpret and transform the world in which they live. We chose locations that we found particularly important to ourselves and our students: Stadium Supermercado and the South Broadway Community Center.